Hi, fifth grade. Welcome back to our last step of our move-in project. Right now, you should have your checkerboard and your kind of color blended wave movement, whatever you created, second piece of paper. Today, you are going to need a pair of scissors and glue. If you do not have glue, tape, staples, something to adhere the paper together. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we are going to carefully cut out our little wave movement paper and take your time. It's not that much to really get right on that black line and make sure that you cut it nice and neatly. So take that extra effort to cut it out nice and neatly, please. Okay. Once it is all cut out, you are going to put glue on the back of your paper. And then you are going to line it up so it should go edge to edge. I lightly press it down and then I flip my paper over and I rub the back of it. That's always like a gluing technique that I use because it doesn't really mess up your art. And I'm going to fast forward this because I just really take my time to press it down. So next thing that you're going to do is pick either like a line, shape, design, and you can kind of see what I choose. And then maybe it will give you some inspiration as to what you want to do. But basically what you want to do is you're going to pick like one little shape, design, line, whatever, and you're going to repeat it. And you're going to start on one side and you're going to have it be kind of really big, really like a lot of them. So I pick little dots because I wanted to keep it simple. You guys can really challenge yourself with like more intricate things. Maybe you do stars or spirals, crisscrosses, I don't know, rainbows. But they should just be like a little mark, and you can see I have them kind of big. They're really close together. And then as you work your way across, you're gonna start to make them be a little bit more spread out, and a little bit smaller in size. Don't be afraid to make some that look like they're being cut off from the edge, like up here. This circle is only half of it because it's being cut off. So yeah, don't be afraid to do that. And this is supposed to be showing kind of like the movement throughout this color strip that we created, and it gives it that illusion that it's like all kind of close in together in one area, and then it slowly kind of dissolves and fades to the other side. Okay, so that's kind of what we're going for with creating our movement. And I'm just going to fast forward this because it's just me kind of repeating. As you are doing this, you might notice like, oh, I think I need to add a lot more on my side that has more kind of clustered together. Um, but I would say be careful because obviously whatever you put down, you can't take away unless you're using a pencil. But if you notice, I'm just using a Sharpie to create it right away. So yeah. And so at the end, it should look something like this. And again, the reason why I wanted you guys to really pick vibrant colors was to create kind of like the contrast between your background and this. And this is supposed to show kind of like the illusion of movement kind of working its way across our paper. This would be considered an abstract piece of art because it's not really anything. Pretty much all of our projects that we've done this year have been like actual um, topics. Like a lot, we've done a lot of animals this year. Um, so this is more something that it doesn't have like a real, we can't really identify it, so it's in the category of abstract. Okay. Um, so yeah, I will need to see a picture either uploaded to the Google Classroom assignment or sent to my email because this is the last step of the project, and then next week we will be starting something new. I cannot wait to see how they come out. So yeah, I will chat with you guys then. Bye.